Concept Clear is an education platform where we try to solve multiple problems of education system globally. One is about worksheets. We know that during pandemic, a lot of parents were struggling to keep their children engaged in studies because of worksheets. Even after paying hefty fees to schools, they didn't get access to the kind of worksheets where their children can practice online. So at Concept Clear, we try to solve this problem by providing online interactive worksheets wherein the child can do unlimited practice on various questions from their smartphone or laptop. Second is about personalized coaching. So we know that in our schools, there are children from different IQ level, but they all have to go to the same learning process. What happens is that in this process, there are some weak students might get nervous because they don't understand the basics, right? But at the same time, there are some bright students feel bored because for them it's they already know what is being taught. So to solve this issue, we are using AI technology, wherein the AI will monitor the learning pattern of each and every child at micro level and design a customized learning path for different students so that the weak students will get the learning path where they have the learning contents clarifying the basics, whereas the bright students will have the learning path where they will have like a lot of challenging questions to solve, so that all categories of students will be engaged in the overall learning process. Now the third thing is about the freedom to choose the teacher. In schools, we know that the child don't have option to choose any teacher because they have only one teacher for a class, and the child has to attend the lectures from the same teacher for whole year. In Concept Clear, the child can browse through the lectures of various teachers, and they can even see the ratings of the teachers, and they can subscribe to the class whom they prefer. So this way, the students will get flexibility to attend the classes from the teachers whom they are adjusted, whom they understand. Because different teachers have different way of teaching, right? And different students also have different grasping power. So if we give this flexibility to the students, then they will easily adjust to various teachers. Now the fourth is about schools. So we know that due to pandemic, a lot of schools were forced to go online, but they were not prepared. Okay, because they also don't have experience. So they face a lot of issues. Most of the schools just depended on the video conferencing software like Zoom to conduct online classes. And because of this, even students were disengaged and parents didn't wanted to pay the fees. So what we developed is a complete end-to-end integrated online teaching and learning solution for schools, wherein teachers as well as students can join the class in a single click from their mobile or laptop. Apart from that, we have also automated other things like manage students, manage teachers, digital timetable, management of contents, all these things. And the last thing is about training to the teachers. So we know that the teachers in our country as well as even outside India are not trained in technology because they are from teaching background and they are not tech savvy. But because of this pandemic, they have to conduct a lot of online classes. So we provide training to the teachers so that the teachers can easily conduct online classes, as well as they can also create digital contents like lecture videos, some concept map, some online study notes, then interactive worksheets. So when we have trained teachers like this, so the students will also feel engaged. They will also prefer the training from these kind of teachers, and it's a win-win situation for teachers as well as students. So these are the 5 features that we cover in Concept Clear, and I believe that with this kind of solution, all users, whether it's students or the teachers or the school owners, they will be able to conduct these online classes smoothly, and it's going to give very awesome experience for all kinds of users.